Right, so this one's quite a good trap. If all you can find is thin logs or nothing of much weight, you are going to need quite a few logs though. And it's also good because it fills in the sides. You kind of solve two problems at one time. So not a lot of weight. You can add the weight by putting the other branches on. At the same time as putting the other branches on, it fills in most of the sides. And you could fill this even more just by putting another smaller stick between each of those. It's quite fiddly to set up, but once you've got the main one up and holding, you can just carefully put the others up as well. So as you can see, it almost ends up like a tunnel inside. Put your bait in the usual place. The animal goes in, gets it, and the whole lot comes down. So the ones on the sides add to the weight. So yeah, good trap if you've only got light bits of wood, but you're going to need a fair few logs, but you could probably break sticks and all that. And as well as creating the weight itself with the other sides, it also fills in the sides, so it funnels the animal funnels it in, it has to go into the middle at least. Right, anyway, cheers for watching, I'll see you later.